Yo, what's up, guys? Trackhawk is finally finished in Miami Blue by 𝗡𝗘𝗫𝗧. Let me tell you guys, not an easy truck to wrap 100%, but we told the customer, you know what, it's gonna take this much time, but we got it done in less than a week, maybe about 4 or 5 days. There is a lot of time consuming removing the door panels, removing the windows to get to the door handles, right? Anyways, so truck is wrapped by, like I said, the wrap comes from 𝗡𝗘𝗫𝗧. It's the Miami Blue. It was such a successful project. What can I say? I'm very honored to work on my first Trackhawk, and looking forward to be wrapping more of these SRTs, Jeeps, maybe some Durangos. But anyways, let me jump out the car, show you guys the final outcome of the Jeep Trackhawk. But man, I just did a mini pool right now, and my heart is jumping. Never test out a Trackhawk, like, you know, do like a test run, but yo, the power on these things are insane. All right, guys, back to the video. Let's go see what it got. Yo, so there you guys have it. Y'all seen the Trackhawk, fully wrapped in Miami Blue. Can say, color's insane. For sure, it's gonna be a neck breaker. We're missing a little bit of details. Maybe the Grand Cherokee emblem on the side, a supercharged. Also, we just ordered the Hawk side emblems for the fenders, and then customer's gonna pick it up right now, but bring it back maybe like next week to do the big reflective Hawk on the side. All right, guys, make sure you guys like the video, maybe share it to any Hawk owners, you know, subscribe, and till next time, peace, Merry Christmas.